Have you ever installed Java, but when you try to run a program, it just doesn't work? You type Java version and get an error? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll guide you step by step to properly set up Java JDK and NetBeans, so your Java programs run without any problem. By the end of this video, you will be able to install the Java Development Kit Configure Java Environment Variables, install NetBeans IDE Create, and run your first Java program successfully. First, we need the Java Development Kit, also known as JDK. The JDK is required to write, compile, and run Java programs. Open your browser and go to the Oracle Java SE Downloads page. Download JDK 22 or any later version compatible with your system. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the setup wizard. Very important, note the installation path. For example, see Program Files Java JDK 22. Next, we need to tell Windows where Java is installed. Right-click on this PC, select Properties, then open Advanced System Settings. Click Environment Variables, then New under System Variables. Set Variable Name, Java Home Variable Value, your JDK installation path. Now edit the path variable and add %Java Home bin. This step allows Java to run from anywhere on your computer. Let's verify if Java is installed correctly. Open Command Prompt and type Java version and then Javec version. If you see version numbers, congratulations! Java is installed successfully. Now we need an IDE. We'll use NetBeans, which is beginner friendly and powerful. Go to the official NetBeans website and download the Java SE bundle. Install NetBeans and launch the IDE. Inside NetBeans, click File, New Project, Java Application. Create a new class named Hello World and write a simple main method. Now click Build and Run or press Shift plus F6. If you see output on the console, your environment setup is complete. Optionally, you can check the Java version used by NetBeans. Go to Tools, Java Platforms and make sure your installed JDK is selected. This simple Hello World output confirms that JDK is installed, environment variables are set, NetBeans is working correctly. Let's quickly recap. We installed the JDK set Java Home and path verified Java installation installed NetBeans, ran our first Java program. This setup is the foundation for all Java development. Now it's your turn. Complete this setup on your computer and submit the lab on the LMS. In the next lesson, we'll start writing real Java programs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.